Let me show you how to connect Google Ads, Meta Ads, TikTok Ads, Shopify, and Google Sheets to Claude using InsightfulPipe and build a full ad performance dashboard in one prompt. Go to InsightfulPipe connectors and click Add Connection. Start with Google Ads, set the permissions, and sign in with your Google account. Select the Google Ads account you want to connect, then click Connect. Now add Facebook ads. Set the permissions to read plus write, sign in with your Facebook account, and confirm the connection. Next, add TikTok ads. Authorize the connection and select the ad account you want to connect. Now add Shopify. You will need to add the store name and client ID and client secret, and here is the guide of the connection. Go to your Shopify admin settings. Copy the store name from the top left of the sidebar. Enter the store name. Then back in Shopify, go to Apps, then Develop Apps, then build the app in the Dev dashboard. Create the app, set the name, then click Create. There is a common issue most users run into when creating the Shopify app. They edit the app URL. This will not let Shopify install the app on your store, so keep the default settings as they are. Shopify asks for scopes, so copy them from the InsightfulPipe guide and paste them. Then click Release and name the version, then click Release. Go to the Dev dashboard and install the version you created. Select the store, then click Install. Installed successfully. Back in your Dev dashboard, go to Settings and copy the client ID and secret. Paste them in InsightfulPipe, then click Save Connection. Connected successfully. Now add Google Sheets. Select the permission, then authorize and grant access to your Google Sheets account. Select the spreadsheet you want to connect. Then click Save Connections. All connections are saved. Copy the MCP server URL from the guide page. In Claude, go to Settings, then Connectors, and click Add Custom Connector. Paste the InsightfulPipe MCP URL, name it, and click Add. The connector is now added. Click Connect to authorize it. Connected successfully. Now write the prompt. Ask Claude to pull data for the last 60 days from Google Ads, Meta Ads, TikTok Ads, and Shopify. Create individual sheets per platform and build a master sheet organized by date that combines daily ad spend, Shopify sales, orders, and products sold. Claude connects to all platforms through InsightfulPipe and starts pulling the data. It generates the ad performance data for each platform and writes everything to the Google Sheets spreadsheet. Claude creates all 5 sheets and applies formatting to each one. Google Ads gets a green header, Meta Ads gets blue, TikTok Ads gets black, and the master sheet gets a dark navy header with alternating row colors. Let's verify on Google Sheets. The individual sheets are created. Let's review the master sheet. It has 9 columns covering date, ad spend by platform, Shopify revenue, orders, products sold, all formatted with 61 daily rows. That is a full ad and sales report built with Claude and InsightfulPipe. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit insightfulpipe.com today.